everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the curvature. What is curvature? In mathematics, curvature is a several strongly related concept in geometry. Intuitively, the curvature is the amount by which a curve deviates from being a straight line, or a surface deviates from being a plane. The rate of the change of the direction of a curve with respect of distance along the curve key is the curvature. Note that the curvature is the line is 0. So this is the formula. S is equals to square root of 1 plus dy dx squared times dx, or ds over dx is equals to square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared, or ds over dx is equals to square root of 1 plus dx over dy squared. So this first is respect to x, and this second formula is respect to y. When the curve is given in the parametric equation, ds over du is equals to square root of dx over du squared plus dy over du squared. So the formula for the k, which is curvature, k is equals to dt over ds, or the second derivative over 1 plus the quantity of dy over dx squared raised to the power of 3 halves. In terms of y, d squared x over dy squared, which means the second derivative over 1 plus the quantity of dx over dy squared raised to the power of 3 halves. So this is the formula of the radius. So the formula of the radius is 1 over k, or 1 plus dy over dx squared raised to the power of 3 halves. So the first derivative over the second derivative, d squared y over dx squared. So the formula of the curvature is second derivative over the first derivative, and the formula of the radius is simply the reciprocate, which means the first derivative over the second derivative. So example, find ds over dx at p xy on the parabola y is equals to 3x squared. So given ang parametric equation, so we use this formula, ds over dx is equals to square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared. So this means that first derivative of 3x squared, which is 6x, so square root of 1 plus 6x squared, so ds over dx is equals to square root of 1 plus 36x squared. And that would be all for this topic. Thank you.